Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make iPad half screen and how to split the screen of your iPad. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, just go ahead and open up the first app you want to open. For example, I'm going to open up my notes, and then we are going to click on this three dots at the top at the middle, and it just show you these three options. Now you can select split view or slide over, but to make it half screen we have to select the split view option. So tap on that, and this is then where you can select or choose another app you want to put on the side. For example, I'm going to have Google Chrome on the other side, and that will automatically make our screen split in half. And we can also add another app to float over these two apps by swiping up on your bottom middle ever so slightly, just to have this taskbar appear. For example, I'm going to have Pinterest floating over these two windows. So just hold and press on Pinterest or on the third app that you want to add. But before that, you can also browse through all of your apps by clicking on this button right here, and it will show you the app library. So again, open up your taskbar by swiping up a bit and hold down on that app, and we drag it on the middle like this until it looks like that. And just let go of it and it will automatically float on those two apps that we just split in half of our screen. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.